Tips from area resources. This is Morning Connection.
Good morning, I'm Katie Kunkel. If you are injured in an accident, you may not think about the need to hire a lawyer. Perhaps you optimistically assume that things will just work themselves out. But joining me this morning to explain the value of legal representation is Nicole Wells of Goff and Rohde. Good morning, Nicole.
Good morning.
So Nicole, why is it important for someone who's been injured in an accident to talk to a lawyer early on rather than just trying to handle things themselves?
Yeah, sometimes when an injured person tries to handle their case on their own, they may have missteps that negatively affect the value of their case. Examples would be giving a recorded statement to an adverse insurance company, admitting fault even if they did nothing wrong, and possibly settling their case too early. And so when they talk with a personal injury attorney early on in their case, they get to learn what their case encompasses, how to preserve those rights, and hopefully get a better value from their case because they've engaged with a personal injury attorney.
Yeah, so what does a personal injury attorney do for their clients?
The aftermath of an accident can be a very stressful and difficult time for clients, and the focus should be on getting better. And so the personal injury attorney will go ahead and take care of the details, such as obtaining all necessary insurance information, making sure medical bills are being paid, obtaining and preserving evidence, engaging with an expert if it's necessary. And so the sooner an individual can contact an attorney, the better.
So what if a person cannot afford a personal injury attorney? What can they do?
Generally speaking, personal injury attorney lawyers will work on a contingency fee basis. What that means is that there's no upfront costs and no risk to the injured person if there's never recovery. The attorney doesn't get paid unless the client gets paid.
Great advice. Thank you for sharing this information with us this morning, Nicole.
You're welcome.
And to learn more, visit weau.com and click on Morning Connection or find us on Facebook.